Graders, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, 8th graders. Okay, you're out there. Holy moly, you guys are worse than the 7th graders. You know, my 6th graders are going to be like, hey, right? That's how it's going to be, yeah. All right. It is our pleasure to honor you and celebrate your accomplishments for this first fall semester that we finished in December. So teachers will be sharing with you the awards. Mrs. Gonzalez has some extra awards to share with you, so they'll share with you. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So pay attention to what awards you're getting and keep striving for excellence, right, for our second semester. I know things are a little weird. You're spread out here, but we can still celebrate each other. And yes. Well, we can actually clap. Yes. We're not in the Zoom. We're not in the Zoom silence, so you guys can show some love to your classmates when they get up here. A little different. We are starting with 7 habits. They'll arrange you up here for photos. Your choice, whether you want to flip your mask down for a quick one or not. If you don't want to, leave it on. No problem. Are we ready to roll?
Yes.
All right, let's get going. We are going to have who come up for our 7 Habits Award? Mrs. Auerbach.
Okay, good morning, 8th graders.
Good morning, Mrs. Auerbach.
So, the next award is our 7 Habits Leadership Award, given to students for excellence in all their core content courses in the areas of work habits and cooperation for the fall semester. These students incorporate being proactive, beginning with the end in mind, putting first things first, thinking win-win, seeking first to understand and synergizing with others. These students are leaders every day at Sylmar Leadership Academy. Okay. First one goes to one of my fabulous students, Ricardo Aguilar. Come on up. Fatima Ahmed. Come on up. Alyssa Cabrera. Emily Contreras. Sofia Garcia. Christine Hernandez. Julissa Hernandez. Madeline Gerardo. Kevin Lopez. Alyssa Lopez. Natalia Lupian. Madeline Macias. Calvin Mejia. Noli Ortega. Juliana Ortiz. Judith Padilla. Wyatt Ramirez. Caitlin Rubalcaba. Stephanie Saavedra. Arwin Sanchez. Sienna Solorio. Madison Tabamo. And the last one, Giovanni Villanueva. Congrats to all the award participants, or honorees.
Will share some awards for the next category.
All right, if I could have everyone's attention, please. It's so nice to see you guys talking even though you're a little spread apart. It just shows that you guys are friends, and I love to see that because in the 7th grade, they were kind of quiet. So it's nice.
Maybe it was early.
Maybe it was too early. They didn't have their coffee yet. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to recognize the following students that are in committees and in clubs for one special reason in particular, and that is for perfect attendance in coming to your committee and club meetings on your designated Mondays. That doesn't seem like it's a big deal, but it is, because it's been an extraordinary year, and coming to school every day has been a challenge. So we definitely want to recognize the students that have made it to every meeting and even extra meetings. So will the following students please come on up to get your certificate? Julissa Hernandez, come on up. Osmar Delgado. Isaac Lopez. Natalie Rodriguez. I know that Judith Padilla is not here either, but let's recognize Judith Padilla. Natalie Martinez. Fatima Ahmed. Madeline Jurado. Arwin Sanchez. Alyssa Cabrera. Noli Ortega. Avril Fernandez. Camila Calderon. And last but not least, our school president, Madeline Macias. I also want to just say thank you so much to everyone that's in a club and committee, because you are leading beyond the classroom and you're helping out, whether it be in our community, in our school. It's a big honor to have you guys make a difference in our school and in our community. So thank you, and for those of you that didn't make it up here this time, I hope that you guys are able to make it for our June Honor Roll Assembly. Thank you so much.
All right, another round of applause. Let's hear it out there. Woo-hoo! All right, please welcome Miss Rodriguez to share our next category of recipients.
Okay.
short. I know. It's okay. Okay. This next award that I am going to be giving out is Academic Honor Roll in recognition of demonstrating a growth mindset and meeting learning targets for the fall semester. So these students received A's and B's in all of their classes and averaged a grade point average between a 3.5 and 3.99. You should be really proud of yourselves. So, first one, Ricardo Aguilar. Enrique Cervantes. Osmar Delgado.
Oh, sorry.
Jonathan Gonzalez. Carmen Hernandez. I know she's not here, but Emiliano Hurtado. Kevin Lopez. Alyssa Lopez. Natalia Lupian. Noemi Mon. Noli Ortega. Cindy Obando. Wyatt Ramirez. Caitlin Rubocaba.
Way to go, Wyatt.
Stephanie Saavedra. Matthew Torres. And last but not least, Lucy Vasquez.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you guys ready?
All right, give him another hand. Great job. Easy. Nice to see. All right, this is Petersville. Come on over to the left. Come on over there. No, I'm going to get out of your way. All right, for our next category.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, Mrs. Petersville.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's better. All right, so today I get to announce the Academic High Honor Roll Award. It's an Academic High Honor Roll Award in recognition of demonstrating a growth mindset and meeting learning targets for the fall semester, and these students received straight A's in all their classes and received a 4.0 grade point average. Super impressive. Okay. To begin with, Fatima Ahmed, Alyssa Cabrera, Jalissa Hernandez. Aisha Herrera. Maddie Gerardo. Isaac Lopez. Madeline Macias. Nadalyn Martinez. Calvin Mejia. Daniela Ortega. Juliana Ortiz. Judith Padilla. Antoine Phillips. Three more. Arwin Sanchez. Madison Tabamo. And Giovanni Villanueva. Super impressive 4.0 students. Keep it up in high school.
That's right. And college, right?
And life.
Cut it off for me now.
Daniela?
All right, let's hear it out there. I know you're out there. There you go. That is right, Mrs. Petersil. Leading right into, we're looking forward to every single one of you up here. But more importantly, that you're participating and culminating, right? That's a big deal. It's a big deal. It should be a big deal for you and your family. So we want to help you meet all of the criteria. Ms. Lara is meeting with some of you to help you identify areas that you can improve so that you are participating and walking the stage in June, because we will have a culmination. And it most likely, if we're in the same boat we're in right now, it'll be outside, but it was beautiful last year having it outside. It was very quaint because you had moms and dads, grandma, grandpa, a few aunts and uncles, but it was very small and it was a beautiful celebration. So we're looking forward to celebrating you in June, but a lot of work to do from now until then, right? Thank you for being the leaders on campus. Thank you for being the models for our other students on campus. We appreciate you. And anything, final words to say?
We're hoping to get Magic Mountain.
Yes, we are working on Magic Mountain right now because they are open, so we're working on that as your grad night, to get there for grad night. So another criteria for you to work hard for, all right? All right, have a great rest of the day and a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much. Congratulations again to all of you.